Good morning, all my friends. So today I have come to a place which is mostly hidden actually. Now let's come back to the main attraction and I'll show you where I am and what is the main attraction here. So there it is. So here is the Buddha statue. It is a very tall statue. I think it stands at 180 feet. So I'll show you how big it is for the reference. Here I am, and here behind me is the Buddha statue here. So this particular statue, Buddha statue, it is located in the Dhamma Hill in Lathao Circle of Namsai district, and this is a huge Buddha statue. I cannot even cover the entire statue right now. I'll just show you where. So this is how big it is. As you can see, this is very big. It has got a big proportion. You can see the fingers is a ginormous. I'll just show you for the reference. You can just measure by looking at it. So this is my head and this is one of the finger. So it's a very big. From here you can get to know that like how tall and how big the building is. So ये जो स्टेचू है ये आपका लोकेटेड है धम्मा हिल, यहाँ पे जो लथाओ सर्कल का, नामसाई का जो लथाओ सर्कल है उसी के अंदर पड़ता है. एंड यहाँ पे इवन आपका एक मेडिटेशन सेंटर भी है, विपासना मेडिटेशन सेंटर करके, जहाँ पे एक्चुअली इवन फॉरेन टूरिस्ट, मोस्ट प्रॉब्ली आई थिंक दोज हु आर सीकिंग फॉर स्पिरिचुअल टूरिज्म, जहाँ तक कि मुझे पता चला है लाइक tourists from Southeast Asian countries, they come here and they do the meditation and other, religious thing associated with Buddhism. That is what I know so far. So इसी विपासना जो आपका meditation center है उसी के करीब में this statue is being constructed. So it's a big one. I'll just show you around. This is the back side of the statue. आप देखिए यहाँ पे. So it is all surrounded by this thick forest. But I think once it is all completed, I think they are also going to do something with the forest area, probably like attracting more spiritual tourists from Southeast Asian countries where Buddhism is being practiced. And you can see here, this is how tall it is. यहाँ पे बट मुझे कोई कंस्ट्रक्शन वर्कर दिखाई नहीं पड़ रहा. मैं यहाँ पे जितने बार भी आया हूँ, आई हैव नेवर सीन एनी कंस्ट्रक्शन वर्कर वर्किंग ऑन द स्टेचू. दिस इज़ माय सेकंड टाइम हियर. तो फर्स्ट टाइम व्हेन आई केम हियर उस समय भी मुझे कोई वर्कर दिखाई नहीं दिया, एंड दिस इज़ माय सेकंड टाइम मैं आ रहा हूँ. पर अभी इवन आज भी मुझे कोई दिखाई नहीं दिया यहाँ पे. बट एज यू कैन सी सम वर्क इज़ गोइंग ऑन around the statue. So obviously there are some construction material, looks like some railings. That means काम आपका चल रहा है. I just hope in couple of months or maybe in a year, maybe next year or maybe year after next, this is going to get completed and we get to see the entire statue in its full glory, inviting, attracting more tourists, more people from across the country. Most importantly, spiritual tourism has a very big potential here in Namsai. So I just hope that with the completion of this giant Buddha statue, that's going to become one of the major attractions. And for those of you who are interested coming to this place and just have a look at the statue, I would suggest that you start from Namsai. From Namsai, it will take around 15 minutes to reach Lathao, and from Lathao, there is one forest check gate is there. So just before forest check gate, just around like 10 meters before you reach the forest check gate, there is a road which goes towards your right. You take that particular road, and from there, I think it is approximately 7 to 8 minutes drive from there until you reach the spot. So this is where the Dhamma Hill is, and this is where you will get this statue located. So this is all for today. I'm going to get you guys more places in future. Until then, keep supporting. Thank you very much.